Hey, good morning. It's Todd, your favorite roofer, Sunbelt Roofs. You can see we cover southeast Louisiana and the Mississippi Gulf Coast. There's our phone numbers. We're out here on a kind of a cool, breezy, cloudy Saturday morning, midstream on this fortified roof right off the beach on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, past Christian. Just wanted to show you we're about half done. This is Malarkey Vista, Storm Gray, Class 4, impact rated, full Malarkey ice and water shield, mastic on the perimeter, about the first class of the roof as you can get. Just wanted to show you this matches the house beautifully. The homeowners wanted the best roof I could get. I don't know if you can see this, but right through there is the Gulf of Mexico. I'll keep you updated here. Guys, we're midstream, lost yesterday with rain, had it all tied together. We're gonna straighten up our bullet pipe. Pipes there you can see on the roof are a little crooked, those are adjustable. But they were prepping Thursday night for a big rain event Friday morning. So we buttoned it all up and got it ready. This will be a really pretty house. We're gonna come back with pecker, concrete, tip and ridge tiles, and charcoal. That'll maybe really make this house pop. But again, midstream, keep you updated. Sunbelt Roofs, past Christian, Mississippi.